So class 11th, let's continue with Act 1 Scene 2. Fine, Prospero is telling Miranda his story. He told him how Antonio took all the powers in his hands. So let's see from lines number 124. Prospero. To have no screen between this part he played and him he played it for. He need will be absolute Milan. Clear? Absolute means actual. Absolute Milan means to be the actual Duke of Milan. So what he's saying? To have no screen between the part he played and him he played it for. So in order that there should be no division, there should be no difference between the role he had played. Clear? What role? The role of the Duke and the reality. What he needs? Doesn't want a difference between the role he played and the reality. So for this he needs to be the actual Duke of Milan. Fine. Me, poor man, my library was dukedom large enough. And for me, poor man, my library was dukedom large enough. And as for my poor self, my library, my books was dukedom large enough. Clear? So for me, my library was my dukedom. I have just confined myself to my library. Me, poor man, my library was dukedom large enough of temporal royalty. Temporal means worldly. Royalty means the authorities. Clear? He think me now incapable. Yeah. So what Antonio think of me? He thought that my jurisdiction over my library was good enough for me, and he believed that I am unable to have any worldly authority now. I am unable to have any worldly power. I am incapable of handling any worldly power. Confederate, so dry he was for sway means power, with the king of Naples to give him annual tribute. Clear? So confederate means to be in friendship with, allied. Fine. So confederate, so dry he was for sway means power. So he was so thirsty, so dry here means thirsty. He was so thirsty for power that he entered into a contract with the king of Naples. Got it? He took the help of the king of Naples. He was so thirsty for power that he accepted all the conditions of the king of Naples to give him annual tribute. Clear? He entered into a contract with the king of Naples that he would pay an annual tribute. He will pay him an annual tribute. Clear? Do him homage. He will show him a respect. Clear? Due to a superior. He will accept Milan as superior to, he will accept Naples as a superior to Milan. Subject his coronet to his crown. Clear? And subject his coronet. Coronet means here you can just say a crown. Fine. That is inferior. The crown. Fine. Subject his coronet to his crown, and he would accept a position of subordinate to the king of Naples and bend the dukedom yet unborn, and he will bring the dukedom of Milan under the control of Naples. This is the contract that they entered into. Antonio was so thirsty for power that he forgot that how great Milan is. He entered into a contract with the king of Naples in which he accepted his subordination. He was ready to pay him the annual tribute. Clear? Fine. And he bring the dukedom of Milan under the control of Naples. Alas, poor Milan, to most ignoble stooping. Ignoble means dishonorable. Stooping, bowing. So, alas, poor Milan, to most ignoble stooping. It was very humiliating for Milan. Clear, the Milan, which had never been before subject to any foreign power, which was the supreme state, which was the superior state. Clear, it has never been before any foreign power. It was very humiliating for Milan to go in front of Naples, to accept the subordination of Naples. But Antonio did it to have the power. Miranda, oh the heavens! Miranda, surprised. She said, oh my God. Prospero, mark his condition and the event, and then tell me if this might be a brother. He said, just mark, consider his contract with the King of Naples, and the event and the consequences of that contract, and then tell me if this might be a brother, and then tell me if a brother could be like him. Just listen what was there in the contract, yeah, and what was the consequences of the contract, and then tell me, can brother do this ever? Miranda, I should sin to think but nobly of my grandmother. Good worms have borne bad sons. So Miranda said, I should sin to think but nobly of my grandmother. It is bad for me to think bad of my grandmother. Clear? It is bad for me to think of my grandmother other than good. If I think that my grandmother was not good, if I think that my grandmother was not good and that's why my uncle was not good, so it would be a sin on my part. Good worms have borne bad sons. Sometimes good mothers could bring forth, good mothers give birth to bad sons. Prospero. Now the condition. Now listen to the condition. Now listen to the terms of the agreement with Naples. The King of Naples, being an enemy to me, invertebrate, hearkens my brother's suit. So now the King of Naples, being an enemy to me, invertebrate. Invertebrate means confirm. Now King of Naples, he was being a sworn enemy of me. Clear? He was a confirmed enemy of me. Hearkens my brother's suit. He pay attention. Hearkens means listen carefully, pay attention. He pay attention to my brother's suit. Suit means formal request. Clear? Now King of Naples, who was my born enemy, who was my confirmed enemy, he listened to my brother's request carefully, which was that in lieu of the premises of homage, and I know how much tribute, should presently extirpate. Extirpate means to drive away, expel karna. Clear? Remove me and mine out of dukedom, and confer fair Milan with all the honors on my brother. Clear? Now what was the condition? He listens to my brother's request, and what was the request of Antonio? Which was that in lieu of the premises of homage, clear, that were the suit were that in lieu of the premises of homage, in return of the term of submission, in return of the term of respect, and I know not how much tribute, and in return for the terms of submission and the annual tribute, and I do not know how much money he is paying to him as a tribute, but the condition was that in return to that respect, in return to that submission and annual tribute, should presently extirpate me and mine out of dukedom. Clear? What was the condition? That the King of Naples, in return to the respect, in return to the submission and the annual tribute, he should drive me and my family out of the dukedom of Milan, and confer fair Milan with all the honor on my brother, and give that fair state of Milan with all its honor to my brother. Okay, that was the terms of agreement. Whereon a treacherous army levied one midnight, fated to that purpose. Clear? Purpose here, intention. Whereof a treacherous army levied one night, fated to that purpose. So thereupon a disloyal army for this purpose. Clear? Disloyal army was raised. मेरे खिलाफ क्या किया गया? एक disloyal army खड़ी की गई. One night fated to the purpose did Antonio open the gate of Milan, and one night that was destined for this intention of Antonio. What intention? To drive Prospero and his family out of the dukedom. So one night that was destined to that intention, Antonio opened the gate of Milan, and in the dead of darkness the minister for the purpose hurried thence me and thy crying self. Antonio opened the gate of Milan, and in the dead of darkness, in the depth of darkness, the minister of that purpose, the ministers that were appointed for that purpose, for the task to drive us away, clear? They carried me and you, a weeping child, away from Milan. Is it clear? So this is what Antonio did to his brother. Fine. So children, revise it carefully. The rest we will do tomorrow. Thank you.